Hello people, welcome back to the episode of Relating Me and You and Me through YouTube, and here I am with another video. Now this video that I am making right here is actually the most questioned about video in my entire YouTube videos that I have ever made. Now what do I mean by questioned about video is that there have been a lot of questions in the comment section about that particular video. Why am I keeping the suspense? You all know what I'm talking about. Yeah, this Panasonic hair styler. I made a video quite some time ago and you all had a lot of questions to ask me. So I thought I will just make a video again. This was actually decided in conversation with one of my subscribers who asked me a few questions and she had a few doubts. So I just thought that I will rather make a video instead of replying person to person. Now without me much blabbering, let's just directly get into the video. Let's begin. Okay, now this is how the outer packaging looks like. It is little old, so please don't mind how it is kept, but yeah, this is how the outer packaging looks like, and this is how it comes from inside. This is how it comes. This is your main device, the heating device that you get, and then there are the attachments with this device, and there are quite a few attachments. Now from my experience, from what I have been using, I can tell you what is for what. This is your curling wand. This is your curling wand. This is your blow dry attachment. This is again your blow dry attachment. This is actually for drying your hair, and then this is your proper blow dry. You get that Parlolite blow dry with that. This is to straight hair, not sleek straight. I would not say it has sleek straight hair, but it does give you straight hair. And then this is your volumizing device. So these are the attachment that comes with it, and then you also get two clips like this. And now we should start with the demo. I'll remove this hairband, and as you can see, my hair are almost dry, like 80% dry. I am taking this wooden comb to make sure my hair are all tangle free. I would always advise you to use a wooden comb over a plastic comb, because your plastic comb actually generates static, so that would give you more frizz, whereas wooden comb doesn't generate static in your hair. So that way you have a lot less frizz in your hair. So if you can, please opt for a wooden comb. One important step again before starting the hairstyling is using a nice serum before doing any kind of heel styling. I am using this Kérastase Elixir Ultime. This is a very nice serum. I just take this much of it and nicely warm it between my fingers or my hands, and I am going to start from the bottom because that is where my hair are most dry. So I'll start from the bottom and gently work upwards like that. So I'm going to make sure that it is applied everywhere on my hair, so that again there is a lot less frizz and also a lot less damage. So that is second question answered, that what do I use for my hair to protect them from heat. Now I understand this product is a little expensive, so I found a dupe of it, and I will link that video here which shows you exactly how I use that product, in what ways I use this product or that product, and they work just equally well for me. So you can go for that one because that is much pocket friendly compared to this one. And now coming to the device, this is how the device looks like. Very nice and chic device, and it is not very heavy to handle. It is not that kind of device which will make you really tired, make your hands really tired when you're styling. No, it's just perfect to handle. And there are 4 heat settings here. If you see, that's 0, 1, 2, 3, and these heat settings vary. So at 0 it's just off, at 1 it gives you heat, but the heat is very low. This is the sound that it makes. There was this one person who was interested in what kind of sound. I cannot speak when it's on. So there was one person who asked me what kind of sound it makes, how much sound it makes and everything. So this is it. Now at 1, the air that is coming out of the device is a little warm, very gentle, very normal. just a little warm. At 2, the speed slows down, the speed of the air. At 2, the speed of the air slows down, but it becomes a lot more warm. It's not hot, but it's quite warm. At 3, it is really hot. So that is how the heat setting works. This is hot, please be careful. This part of the device becomes really hot, so you don't have to touch this part of the device. Yeah, but at 3 you have full blow of air, and also the heat level is maximum. So that is how the variation of the 1, 2 and 3 works. Answering your next question, that is the length of the cord. So you can see this much is the length. I have the switch right next to my bed. This is where my bed ends, so it's my hand length. You can say that the length of the cord is little, I don't know if you're able to see, it's a little more than the length of my hand. So yeah, that's the length of the cord, which I think is sufficient enough to work well. Now let's see the attachments. So first attachment I'm going to show is this, the one that dries your hair. It's just like a dryer. Now how to do the attachment, you can see there is a screw here and here. So you have to fit the screw here in the settings inside. So your screw should set directly in the setting, and then just, that's it. And to remove it, you press this button and it easily comes out. So attaching it is really simple. You just have to dry your hair with this, and when you're styling, my hair are already dry, so I don't really need this. I was just showing you. Then there was this one question where a person asked whether I should be using this on a damp hair, on a wet hair, or on dry hair. What would work best? So I would say you should not be going for wet hair and you should not be going for dry hair. Having that 70% dry hair where you feel the wetness of the hair but there is no actual water in your hair, that's just the perfect way, that's just the perfect timing to do this. Yeah. Now let's go with this one. This is your straightening one. I'm just going to fit this in again. Just align it with the screw, push it in, and it's good to go. Yeah. Now the small part, I'm going to show you what kind of straightness it gives. As I told you, it does not give you a sleek straight hair, but it gives you a nice straight hair which looks straight naturally. You can either keep it straight like that, or you can just have outwards turn like this. You know, just by pushing it a little back, you can have outward turns. And this is the result. You can see it gives you a nice straight hair which looks straight naturally. You just have to go over thrice and it gives you a nice straight hair, which is also a little bit frizzy. You can see this is the result, guys, and I think it's pretty good. Now working with this attachment, that's a curling wand. Again, aligning my screw and just take one section. I'm taking one section from the front just to show you. Run a comb through it so that you can see that there are no tangles. And then guys, this is the beautiful curl that you get with this, right? Isn't it beautiful? I love it. You can have tight curls like this if you keep it for around 15 seconds like I kept, or if you want loose curls, just keep it for 10 seconds or something and you get a loose wavy curve. Again, open the clip, attach your end of the hair to it, and then just start it and start rolling. And you open the curl. See? You have nice loose curl. So a tight curl and a loose curl. Now some of you were asking me how long does the result last. Okay, I would be very honest with you all. Now if you use a straightening adjustment or if you use a blow dry adjustment, your results are easily going to last until your next wash. Because I do that, I use this once and then I easily go around 4 to 5 days without doing anything else to my hair, just taming down the frizziness by using that oil or serum that I use, and it just goes fine. So that way it is just good. But when it comes to curls, your curls does open up really quickly, like in few hours your curls open up. So and I think that's not fair enough. So what I would say is, because this is such pocket friendly price, I would always suggest you that you can have a hairspray. If you want proper curls and you want it to stay throughout the night, you can easily do a hairspray and the curls will not budge, because I have done that. I don't have a curling iron or a curling wand with me, so I use this. I get nice curls. I make that tight curls initially so that when it loosens up, it just loosens up, not completely. This is the level that it reaches after loosening up, and I have a hairspray sprayed all over my hair, so that would definitely be needed if you want the curls with this one to last. And now coming to the blow dry adjustment, this is what I use the most. This is very simple to use. I don't have to do sections, I don't have to do anything. I just start it from random hairs and just do this. I do this 2 times or 3 times and my hair are good to go. You see, in no time you got that nice wave here. So see, isn't this beautiful? And this takes me around 7 to 10 minutes to do all of my hair, and I would say my hair are quite voluminous. Okay, it takes time to dry my hair, but with this one it takes me 7 to 10 minutes and I am good to go. Now I would do my hairstyling, dry them a little bit, and then I'll be right back. And I am back after doing hairstyling. Now basically I just did that blow dry thing and then did a few curls on the front of my face, because that's how I like it. This one curl and this one big curl here just adds to the whole shaping of my face. And I like how simple everything is. Like, you switch like this, you don't have to worry about heating 10 different products. Like, you have to heat curling iron, you have to heat iron, and then blow dry and everything. There's a lot of things that goes around styling hair, but with this one it makes very simple. So yeah, now we would like to address a few more questions that I did not answer till now, so I'll go to that. Okay, what is the oil that you use to protect your hair? I already mentioned. How long does the curls last? As I told you, a few hours, 5 to 6 hours if you don't do a hairspray or anything. If you do a hairspray, it would easily last until your next wash. Doesn't it cause hair damage due to heat? Okay, now this question is very often asked, and there are a lot of misconceptions going around this question, that if you use this kind of product where it is heat styling through air, you don't damage your hair. I don't know how much true it is, but for me, I have not used too much heat styling products ever in my life. Okay, this was the first product that I bought, and I think that has worked very well for me. My hair doesn't look that damaged, and also because I take a few extra steps towards making sure that my hair doesn't get damaged. So I am not sure if this damages your hair, but for me it has not done anything bad to my hair. There may be multiple reasons due to it, because I don't use it too frequently. I use it once or maximum twice a week, and apart from that, I make sure that a night before I have to wash, like if I have to wash tomorrow morning, today night I would nicely oil my hair, very 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 oil. Like I go to that extent where my hair becomes like drenched in oil. And apart from that, after doing that, like I do that around 7 p.m. and then before sleeping, and half an hour before sleeping, I'll mix my serum with my conditioner and then apply it all over my hair nicely, towards the length, not on the scalp, towards the length I apply it, and then keep it overnight. And the next day morning when I wash it, my hair are naturally very very nice and soft, and there is a lot of decrease in the frizz that I have observed after I have started using these tricks. And apart from this, there is also one more trick, that if you don't have time for conditioning your hair, you can't do it overnight or anything like that, there's this one small trick. When you are shampooing your hair, just add a few 3 to 4 drops of oil, any oil, olive oil, coconut oil or almond oil, any oil that you use, just add 2 to 3 drops of that oil to your shampoo before, when you take it on your palm, and after you wash, you'll see your hair a lot less frizzy. I have tried that out too. Whatever steps or tricks I am telling you here, I have tried them out, and then I am putting it out here, and they have worked for me. Apart from that, it also depends on hair to hair, texture to texture, everything. It's different for everyone, but these are the few tricks that have helped me make sure that my hair are healthy and they don't face too much damage. So yeah, you should use the styler on damp or dry hair. I had already mentioned that you should go for a damp hair, neither wet nor dry, but damp hair where they are 70% dry. That would just work fine, because then your styling would last a lot longer. What is the size of the cord? Length of my arm. How much sound or noise does it make? I already showed you that. Curling wand length. Yeah, now that is one thing that I would like to mention. If you are a person with long hair, the length of this curling wand might bother you a little bit. You can take a smaller sections and do the curling, but it's not very long, so that might bother you. But if you are my size, like my hair size, around waist, I have my hair around waist, then it should just work fine. But if you have long hair, this might bother. Do we need voltage converter for this in India? Not sure. I have never taken this out of the country, or I have not bought any products from out of the country to India and use them, so I'm not sure what voltage converter or what transformer you might need. So yeah, that's all questions answered, and that is the demo. I hope this time I have done justice to this product and answered all your questions, showed you the demo once again. And if you like it, give this video a big fat thumbs up, and if there is anything that you want me to make videos on, please drop that in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to do it. This video was asked by most of you, so I redid this, and I would love to do it as many times as you want, and a lot other videos that you want me to make. So please drop your suggestions in the comment section, and if you like this video, that would help me a lot, because that would make my videos more discoverable. More people will be able to see my video. That would give me a lot more motivation to make more such videos. So please guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it as much as you can. Until then, take care. Tada!